What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. Some people who have bybz seen a big discussion between the Lion Man and TJ and a couple other persons about bybz and King Tavi ex-girlfriend. Yes, so me I say, so more to tell more the think my people. Don't feel like say bybz go too far with like linking up him or King Tavi ex-girlfriend. I don't feel like them go too far and link up and do things together. You know what I mean? More to tell more the thinking in the comment section, because people are say yo it don't look good. At least the Lion Man I say it don't look good. Yes, so me I say, but on a level my people, if two persons used to be together and they left, you know what I mean? And on a level like bybz, him never did a link with Tavi like that. Like them did a big friend like how him and cousin Orlando link. You know what I mean? Him no owe think they no obligation, and the woman no owe Tavi nothing either, because them even did the for long either. You see me I say? So me want to tell me what to think in the comment about that link up there. And on a level my people, me feel like say bybz want the girl. You know what I mean? Yes, him want the girl. Like whether him want her to get back at Tavi, for Tavi, cause Tavi did make the girl must block him or something, you know. Or him want her because she look good. Whichever way me feel like say want her. You know what I mean? We're gonna get in on that. We also have TikTok lawyer and this up case. Same way we have Japrayer. I talk about the England show and say enough of the people them didn't get any visa to go over there from in February, and them know that, and them still make people go buy them things them and ready up themselves for party where them know so now go happen. You see me I say, more to tell me what I think this also. Is it? I will have other things but I don't remember from my head right now. So whatever you don't hear in the intro or see in the intro, we're going to share in the video, and also maybe we'll add more things as we go on. So we could get in at the people.
Jayden, you get me have to cry, bro, when she call me and tell me. You understand? Because every time when the auntie then call me, anything me always steady. And the cousin call me and say, Jetty, you know, say, you need to do better. Me I say, I want now, me feel so aware. He say, me go see Jayden, you can bust out shoes. Me say, oh God, I lie out there. And the girl say, she have to run. I say, a funeral, she coming out, she come spend much money, you know. And she have to grab a little girl and go back painless. Buy shoes for the little girl, not even snacks. The little girl she have to give money for buy up, she have to buy up snacks and juice and everything. And Juna can't talk about me. I made it very Britannia, I mean like anything. If we make one good change for TikTok chat, I have to tell you no, send it off and spend it on them. I go around, I the family they will back me and know say I have a try girl. You get me tell you? He said in family they will back me and say me I try. Me now have my hungry. That's how we now do. The family can back me and the baby now no shoes. And then call him how much time. I say baby want shoes. Then call him how much time. I say baby want shoes. Where we get it from? Tell him mother. And he knows that me not working. And Julia make money chat. Julia make money. You may tell him I make money and him friend them don't want. All I'm friend them want them I see the guy I don't know if them know. He's not minding him people they because that's my mind Jayden, especially Jayden. Melanie could have the role and it could be max up Jayden he could get. I mean I think cousin and say Jayden he go on this and Melanie go on this and Melanie go on that and Jayden he can host me. You may tell him I'm just finding about TikTok as practice now but I feel you know when they start hype chat this you can start build something. Hey, go suck your mother. I come and tell me for Juna money. Juna money is I don't buy money for. It's not your money. Me say Juna money, I buy money. Come on, family, I go suck your mother. You know that chat to you. You wanna buy same thing. Or Juna money. Me tell you say Juna money, I buy money. Me tell you say Juna money, I buy money. I black me for back you. I'm gonna look for you. Juna money ain't share money. Look sure back you. Back you. Go suck your mother. day I block him. You know money and no more money, but take your youth them. If they are give me, make sure you youth them. Are you pregnant now? Pregnant now? No way get that from. You must have an next woman pregnant. Me? Pregnant for who? You crazy? Are you pregnant now? You crazy? You must be mad. I must have different woman here pregnant, but not me. Not me. Any woman we know that the pregnant dead for hungry. But you know mind pick me. They for me that call up me matter. They say I should have acknowledged by and drive up on him and give him something in his face. You tell me about just don't do this because I got it bad for both of you. Make it bad. Make it bad. Do no business. Make it bad. Me, boy, don't tell me about it, but make it bad for me. Make it bad. I want it bad. Him can't tell you that. Can I take my family plan? He can't tell you that. I know me. I'm with somebody else. Boy, so pregnant. At least me I eat that. Pregnant, no, not find some pregnancy. I feel. I never do abortion yet. Anyway, money there, you gotta find it and do abortion. Tell you that straight. Find out some pregnant for that. Anyway, money if it come from, you gotta do abortion. Me I tell you, pregnant now, we go find money and come back by and beg on the money and go to abortion. Can't pregnant for what? Pregnant for who? Eh? That careless boy I don't see me. When we say careless like what? Eh? I don't give kids and nothing, it's all about me. It's all about me. If you never get a look bam shirt I will ask him if he didn't buy clothes and I said ask him how pick area clothes. When in chicken life, we ask him how pick area clothes. You lie. I'm not telling you no lie. Ask him how pick area clothes. Every day you go buy clothes with 20, 30, 40,000. You don't ask him when pick area clothes. You don't ask him no. I'm afraid with everybody and I'm playing part and the blood dripping them. A long time I talk I can't hold no more. I'm not going to make blood vessels on my head. I want to lift it, take care of me with them, bro. You know, still with you know, I last I eat this. I'm going to reach my day. The leaf around and go. Here. You know, a long time I go through this and I just help. You know, we start a room, we start a good one room, until we stop room and nothing go up to me. We just want 4 sheet pliers and 3 sheet of zinc and 8 long board. They don't know where they board the name. And I go come by and come ask me, we just want it. We go for me things them, we want to go for me things them. And I don't want their place and uncomfortable, I have me things them. The bed and me just have me fridge, me stove, and I have me things them, I don't want uncomfortable. You understand? So I want easy fix up somewhere to get the law, I police me, I get to go for me things them. I mean now go with them alone. And if they want it further, I will do it further, but I don't want. You understand? I don't want, if you got me no want, no good man and no bad man involved. 3 of them, 3 girls, want me, want, you know, help, if you can help me, I will come and live a day, every day I try to get little help and fix up. But for me things them behind the law, me and the police, go for me things them, that's why I can get me with them on my foot and try to do something. If I want to do some little business, you know, help me, if that's me can turn it, to help send me youth them at school and me not call him phone. If you want to go for my things them, I don't need it.
The people tell me what they think in the comment section, cause here I go and see me did know say she want to expose TikTok boss from the day when she say me I go mute the live, and she never did mute the live and I talk the business so that the people them hear. Me did know say she never did a mute no live. You see me I say she did want the people them hear say this youth here him now the certain things what him fi do, and me no understand seeing he have a woman and you have your youth them, I wanna used to go through the struggle, and now you start make it in a life. It's like you all for yourself alone, and you don't really do what you need to do when it come to the even the youth them, cause the woman say not her mostly but the youth them. You see me I say? No man, if you make it certain way man, and your woman you live with him youth them, right? So if him live with him youth them, him supposed to see certain things needed, right? If him not live with him youth them, me know say people are go call him and say Ray, like how she say, them call him and him say where him to get it from. And him a dash how much money run a back road where him a tell on about, and every day him want a new woman and them something there, that no look good. You see it, if the youth them are no fame and him know say the youth them are no fame, do a DNA test and get the woman off of you and get the youth them off of you. You see me I say, but if you know say your youth them, come on man, do what you need for do. Cause them we take your blessing we get take away now. And them same youth at the end of the day, them are gonna make it in a life, and then at them you are gonna want to stretch out your hand too. When you did have it, you know give them nothing. So people tell me what to think.
I said, I can't come no way. I said, try for this, so I send them boy upon him. Then I have to kill him. Ask me stupid. I don't know. I admit them not have to them beat out in things. I could pull on me down. If I don't know me down, we don't want Junior. That even Junior deal with like a baby mother. Alright, then kill me. Alright. Is Junior like a baby mother? I don't even like him. When we see me head raised, come like he's a duck in me I say. He's not like me say, he's coming like a duck in me I see when we see him. The spirit, me don't like him again, the spirit and feel. Me don't like him, and when you have a mother you don't like him again, you will say, he can't, me don't like him when we see him afraid. Nah, talk me last word, me I tell you. Nah, talk me last word, Junior. Me not repeat the name, and Junior make million. You go to TikTok now, say he don't be rich, but he can help himself, he can help him woman and he pick me name. Fee money is not my money, but he can help him pick me name. Understand? He can do better. Yeah? And when me and him that thing, he can come out of my house. I say, move on after blood clot, and I say, I'm going to take out money out of your pocket and build a house, junker. See, like how TikTok people them. See, like how TikTok people they can't help me too. I mean, know me have people out there will love me. I love me more than you too. He that boy. Tree girl. Person I ask me doing the video again. You say you see me there and talk. You say me left. Me and him in an argument and talk this last night, and I leave. You just come. You ask already around you. You tell us me leave. Him fool, only can't fool. You see it nothing to because of me and follow him, and because of some of the people them follow me. Oh, you just trying to like, yeah. Yeah, and last night showed me stuff for him. But you say, you know, much of all my things in it, that he not even have dollar in it. Showed me something him last night and I called his sister. Hey, Shani, you just come out there, don't let him in, no. I'm going to tell Shani that, you know, me make up my mind and say I go for Shani. He can't tell Shani that, I know Shani could have let me in. I know Shani can let me, because Shani got 30 minutes like him. Shani, I worry about me this man, she takes me to have a Wi-Fi, so she worry, and I'm sister. You better know I'm sister that, and she worry, all him mother too. And I tell him, don't put him up. So me say, never mash them up, I go hear about it. But me say, I go hear about it. Me done with Judah, me want my own now. I'm making go on in me, and I go see difference with me, take care of me, and see difference with him.
It's a weird boss, but say, highlight. A whole heap of people may get highlight on up, you know. When I tell you, Jayden, every girl where you bombard, like, we're not talking about where they with now. We're talking about where you just add them to your life.
Add them on your life.
Yes, Claude. Everything gone up for them, dog.
Brother, every time Jayden add somebody on your life, and him say, yo, don't go back, give them some gift. After a while, people just gift them.
But even without that a whole heap of people you get highlight on the app, bro. Whole heap. Whole heap. I think it is safe to say you bust the most people on the app.
Okay, so CC there.
No, I mean bust CC.
No man, I mean that man.
Ask her.
You bring her to the forefront, TJ. I mean bust her man. TJ, she say it too, man. She say it too.
Yeah, we got to the forefront. I think I did that day. I think
Let me tell her, TJ, you add me, bro. You see?
Yeah, we add me true.
If she stick with you, bro, she would have got it, you see?
Move your blood class, she that bust same way. I'm proud of her, Tina, because the fuck of this shy Tina Jayden.
Me shy, man, I see it.
Shy, but oh no, I don't want to do this with me. I say, yeah, stay right here, so. You get a platform now, actually. I'm proud, I like when them, you know.
Yeah, man.
I'm not negative.
Yeah, man, the one never disappeared. I don't go give away front, but you never disappeared, that's it.
Ah, jeez.
Oh, I know the girl alone. The girl said she didn't want to get out.
Wanna do fight?
Yeah, sir.
TJ add me to the live, kind of see. He must say, I wait, man, because more see, we 1,000 odd people over here watch.
Yeah, that
and then him add you. I say go.
And then how much I watch now?
Can't take a look at dirty John Craig.
If it's easy, watch her enough time, yo, a Friday I'm there, every time I see her, I want to turn police.
Dennis, thank you.
Brother, yeah? Where's the one?
Man, she Harris, so I put in a jail.
No, I said, me want to go turn police. Me can't tell you that, because like me, yo, she don't look neat in her clothes, dog.
But you're not going to look so Gaza, you're not shape.
But I'm not look like a woman. We are trying to do
yeah, that's how you're shape.
We are trying to do No, serious. For real.
Yo, why fit out the two, dog? What do you mean you want to turn police?
But TJ.
Because I love gun. I love gun.
Jayden never buy me the game in cheer, though.
I want to get
so. I get to Facebook get away. How could a doctor cry the Facebook get away?
Wait, I get it.
That's what she did for, man. That's what she did for.
The one let me see nobody this mate in the dog.
So who this now?
Your best friend is me no man.
Who? Kiki stay just like you, Jayden. You know, see that? Are you make Kiki stay so, you know? I'm going to tell you. You make Kiki turn so.
Pardon me, only cuss the girl because she have fuck me old man and I get no money, dog. You see?
Alright, my God.
Jesus.
I can't catch another street record here.
Where's the Kiki for? Kiki not like she for costume. I don't believe Kiki when she said she do nothing, you know? Nothing at all. That's why she come like you. Kiki now do a thing.
Great Kiki, man, but she has a comfy shade, dog. I'm a woman, dog. No, that boy.
But that's what I tell you, say you should take off her. Can really and truly see other day, like she don't mind talk up to shade, dog.
Yo, TJ, she a follow Jayden. Jayden puts him a try do a Jayden. The boy you have to have her own style. You can't do it.
Ah, she not lucky so. It's like how Jayden will just lucky and get with it. She doesn't have that look there.
You know, me go pop me live and people talk about Jayden. I'm saying, don't move and go now. Oh, Jayden a batty boy. I say, unless when the tape come out of my seat.
Yeah, man a batty boy, man.
Yeah, because guys, I'm gonna say, yo, no pick up for me, no, like, you see, because you know where.
No, but brother, I'm tell you something. When you see that,
yo, if stop, dog. Yo, if stop right there, you know where I go.
Me not listen to him. Because people got steady talking. When me see tape, I don't show me.
What you see?
Let me see I use him finger like how the next man or what I use him finger.
Bad man, if you find out Jayden a fish, me personally I take him down.
Bro, not even shade now, not tape on me.
Me personally I take him down if me ever have
that man somebody argue about
bro, not even shade on bro.
I've been tape on
man, listen bro, this is your shade on bro. This is shade off tape on me bro.
Alright, people, so them say Kiki a follow the lion man. Me not think so. You see me? Kiki is who she is long time. And just because she get the highlight from the Lion Man, right now them a see her personality. You know what I mean? She never have a challenge where she get with like linking up with the Lion Man. She never have them type of challenges there for them see her personality. But you could have seen it. You know what I mean? So when she link up with them, you know, it show her full personality and thing, and maybe some of theme style and ways rub off on her. But that's so she stay a long time. You know what I mean? No pretend not unite. Someone wanna tell me who wanna think in the comments. Look at what some more.
Took that long time with me and her not that, bro.
What are the jayden? Me and somebody have an argument about the same thing. I said, oh, the reason why Jayden and Shay turn friend because she have proof that Shay that let us time.
Right, me know Shay no dog. Shay no fuck up, you know. But you see time when Shay the angry bro and a cuss me, bro. Shay that let us
True.
Tell me I tell that, bro. Shay that let us that long time, bro.
True. Yeah.
No man, none of it.
When you talk about letter, Jayden, no tape exists.
Bro, not tape, not there, bro.
Exactly. So you're there.
Shay that took that long time, bro.
If me even the slightest idea of say you're a fish, more the day in your box right now, dog.
Me have tell you that, bro.
But tell us, I go as far and believe, so I don't even believe say in front, to tell you the truth.
Oi.
No man, you feel like it.
You feel like the truth?
Yeah man, feel like it start.
Lando, do little Jayden and do little TJ. Jayden, nyam pussy.
Yeah man, you start.
You know, nyam it, in lick it, because you can't eat it, in lick it.
I don't feel like eating no front, guys, I'll tell you the truth.
Alright. You can't get your pan tape, you know, can do it like Javas and no,
Yo, TJ, big man thing though, but big man thing though. This is one time I did for the big dog. I never tell the show story, but one time Rosealee turn up over me dog. And it's like your man wants to sit on my face. I box me in the box on her face, TJ. I tell you that. Turn up over my face.
Why are they on the bed?
Boy, I'm on the bed right on. It's not we have to play a game, dog. You see it? And the game say, lick it or stick it. You see it? And the girl turn up over my head, bro. Move, dog.
Yo, it's up there. Yo.
You turn the long out?
But man, I can't. Anytime I say I can take it as joke in my head.
Yeah,
so brush your lip then, Jayden.
No, man.
If you talk, everything is not can go.
Man, yo, TJ, in C2, yo, when the woman hear them, in C2 lip them.
Yo, TJ and your man to you.
No, that go too far now.
Yeah man, TJ and your man.
I know what I'm talking about.
Yeah man.
Check out one second here, man. For the king of eating said, we believe.
I know what I'm talking about.
Yo, every day they trouble TJ about TJ do this and allow TJ and Maya.
Yeah.
TJ eat as well man. Even what the other argument between me and him in the panel.
We don't know where you're talking about. We don't know where you're talking about.
He now come out of the closet in my wallet. Him still a contemplate.
Okay, we're not in the closet. I have no closet. But the pastor don't know. I'm married people something, you know.
Hold on, TJ. You never think about it. You never look on the fat and say.
I'm married people business, dog.
Hold on, oi. You're not so
TJ, how you say I'm married people business and Jayden married what here? Yeah, the man is not telling you saying kiss it. Come like, the man is telling you no, say.
I'm not sure what my Jayden.
Hold on, Mama licking nail on the head.
No.
You want a long time, Baba, man.
TJ, but tell her man, so don't touch me and she a push on them, TJ. And she can't tell you a push her. You know, box that done my yacht.
For what?
The box that them married.
You just say you no beat to man, dog.
Exactly, talk them sitting there, man.
Yo, no follow Jayden and box no woman, brother. No follow Jayden.
You do it, man. September, man, you know.
Jayden, I know which one thing, man. Jayden, say me say April and birthday.
September, Jayden, man.
Jayden a liar. Last time Jayden post up on April saying birthday. No man, but TJ, big man thing, but one time we don't fight over a game. He look PS5. He's like, no, give me a PS5 and I take you back. He's like, I say, you know, I'm tired of you, give me a things and I take you back, you know. Me hold on for this.
Oh, the PS5.
Yeah, man, I rock across my jaw, man. So I feel that, man, TJ. All of my rules, I'm here for myself. Broke up, man. I tell you, man. I tell you, TJ, me did not return the dog, I see it. No lie, bro. Rock my jaw, man. I tell you, so me out my jaw sex up.
Yo, Jayden, TJ, every woman me deal with in the brother, I tell you, yo, you can argue and talk, because no relationship now go smooth in the brother, but don't put your hands on me, because if you lick me, that means you want to fight. You want me to be a man, so you want to fight me. You go lick your back, don't lick me, bro. Don't put your hand on me.
If you lick them, man, you could sound like them and say, how we are.
Them and say, yo, you be wrong. Me I tell them, don't put your hand on me, because you go fight.
Exactly. That's true. What do you know that's true?
Yo, we can touch up and hold up in if I want. They can grab me up on them thing there now. You know, go up on the school and grab me. But brother,
yeah, just walk away.
I believe no man that grab up no man dad.
No, man about just walk away. Where the man that come from?
Yo, you have somebody grab you up, DJ, man.
Who's if you just walk away?
Oh, man, that come at walk away. What you know?
But TJ, you have to understand them. So, with woman, them, sometimes you walk away. That urge them to go and grab you.
Yeah, grab you even more.
Oh my God, man, I feel like grab you, bro. They have a turn up on
Some people, the lion man admit say him a fraud then. We ma admit say him no eat. And him name eat boss. Him a sell with lie then my people. Because at the end of the day, me have to tell him this, you know, cause them gyal with a foreign them used to man name them, you know what I mean? So he better catch him practice from now, cause eventually he must go name the gyal there. You say me I say else he go get bun. Big woman thing. So if he wanna eat boss for real in a real life, he better turn it. You know what I mean? He better catch him practice and eat. Cause them gyal love to eat, them girl are foreigner. You see me I say, so all you gonna tell me say you are promote that eating and you not eat? No man, you a false prophet lion man. People don't know what to think.
Imagine one of them about the spliff and drink that guinea.
TJ, me never walk away, TJ, me drive away. Same problem, same way.
Yeah. Yo, you might come and see you might come and see a close out the door. Yo, American woman them places, you see you close out the door, your bed cut up, your sofa cut up. You can't stand it. Your shoes bleach out, your clothes bleach out.
Bad man, let me tell you, first thing first, let me tell you, me I go from far for woman burn up my clothes, them set them out.
Hey boy, Jayden, I can't tell you, they come American, they're American woman, I
Yeah, ready for true, Jayden.
Yeah, but check that.
Make up man crazy for
Bring
true.
it report like a Yankee. You see, retake him. You see, retake him.
Yeah.
American woman, them bleach out the clothes and burn up on their shoes and cut them up.
TJ, so me go through, let me tell you, me go through most woman, bro. Bro, one woman now got have everything. And that me learn.
True.
One woman now got have everything, bro. You see?
That's why you know we can sickle with.
Bro, you have to just check
You see, if I go to one pair with she, bro, and then you go to the next woman, bro.
Yo.
It's like you said, John was time, we should have stayed with she.
But Jayden, let me tell you, bro, you see anything if you have a sick with a woman, dog, just make sure she go bring your peace, dog. Not beat that.
Yeah, right.
It's like our Jayden about back here, it's like an American woman, you come out and see your car, key up. The glass, every glass to go to the key up.
Bro, once a woman I bring your peace, dog, you win.
Well, I bring down my business, you know. Me a thump in your face.
No, that's
what they stay on.
Then look out every glass of your car and crib your car, key it up.
TJ, you know, so one woman we are, let me tell you, if you give one TJ a woman a box up and everything, you know, say, woman we are give one same way.
And I fight off.
And I fight that TJ, I'm gonna be loyal.
She want have you want to control, but she a fuck next man on the road. That's how it goes.
So TJ, all my features woman down. You man, brother, you know, I tell me I tell that, man.
I try, you need counsel, you know, Jayden, you know.
TJ, that word that make feel loyalty.
See, that's feel like every woman I just gave but 9 ideas.
I'm not every woman, man, I tell you, man. TJ, me see man have all the money, give woman whatever they want. A woman comfortable happy. It's when the man go work, it's not them say them now again, no attention. So don't start run.
True, your man always say that.
Don't start run, bro. So me notice a woman all lies to them feelings, dog.
Well, thank God say my woman only feels for me, so.
Oh, well, you lie, you are tell.
What you mean? What you try to say?
TJ, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. You see, I'm tell you see if a woman can't come to you and tell her which man she like, you are them not solid enough. You see if a woman can't come to you and tell her, say, yo, what you know? That boy, I'm a type, you know. Dragono said that woman there really solid with her for true, bro. You see, if a woman,
oh, in a way, your best guy says she will tell you, she straight up and will tell you the truth.
yeah, bro, she will tell her, say, the man, I'm a type, I'm gonna give him peace.
No, she can't go so far.
She not go give him peace, you know, but she just, she like that
Like she
person.
said, a guy that look handsome, that's what you mean.
My own, bad man, if a woman, I'm tell you.
But the reality still not Jayden. You got the woman in with her for years
bro,
now.
that mean a woman are really comfortable with her, bro.
So, no, let me tell
I mean a woman is comfortable with me. I'm gonna tell you things that me a madman. You see, I tell you, bro, no joke, bro.
No, man, that's no, I think I'll always stay the same in a certain way. Some of them.
I know, so, but you know, the general remind me, I accept them, man, brother. Some states, brother. Don't.
That's what me turn to, you know.
Yeah, but hold on.
Me a mad, somebody, brother.
There's a twist to it in the car, Jayden, pre this. When me and my head up on the road, bro, or we there one party, I will say one sexy girl, but we can't say yo, that girl is sexy. But she will tell me say yo.
But you can't she
I know I can't say that, bro.
Yeah, that's what I tell you. Me, she not gonna look at me and say yo, that guy look push
DJ,
in
if
on
I
me
go
now,
Power
right?
Road, listen DJ, we go Power Road. Right now, I'm seeing one girl, I say, yo, John, that girl look good enough, look there.
Yeah.
Woman now, that to you,
No, exactly. That's what I'm trying to say. She not gonna say it.
No, TJ.
No, I said, bro, but she in herself, I say, yo, John, saw that you look nice, you know.
Well, as long as me don't know.
What I know about what Jayden say. Oh, if you look alone and know something to her, she say, oh, you look for a bitch, so you look for a girl, so.
Right, exactly.
Baby, you're not gonna look good enough. But when she see a nigga, you know, she not tell us
She not tell you that.
Tell her that, bro.
That nigga.
I sure said, your woman not really comfortable with her yet.
The man right, bro. The man right.
Well, I agree with that part. I don't want she comfortable, because I don't want she come tell me say, oh, that man, they look good, she not give me this. I don't want to hear that.
No, much of a buckler. Tell me, I tell you.
I don't want to hear that.
Yo, guy, when shall I find a nigga answer a nigga, man?
Talk about look at we where I fuck two friends one time. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, man. I don't get them American accent.
Look how weird, DJ.
Not a raw sweet no look, bro. Not a weird. Because you see, if let me tell you when they look away to me, you see if they were enemies, you see if Aldari and Abel were enemies before and then all of a sudden them turn friend and I'm content, fine. But them never have nothing at all, bro. Nothing at all. They're just all TikTokers on the app. You have to bear in mind, the only reason why Aldari did probably don't talk to Abel is because of Tavi.
I'ma say something. I'm put it
And
up.
that's why she did block you today.
Yeah.
Go put that name, but name out the two man them want
Don't
fuck.
put it out there.
Let
Me put it out there. Let me put it out there. You see, if I'm a woman there, bro, I'm a woman left. I know so that I'm an enemy. I go link with the enemy. You know, I'm saying me a mash up it on, you know.
Jayden, come on.
But I make you know that.
Then your chat as some drunk. But ask you, remember licking your head
you
now.
man left.
Now she say, I be a crosses. I be a crosses and dead dog in the comments. You don't feel like you look away when you left from one TikToker to the next?
The people, more to tell more the thing saying if you think nothing wrong with Yebwas and the female a link up after she and King Tavi left. Because yeah, me say long time me I said it still enough. Me say she never really did want King Tavi. She just want to highlight on TikTok and she get the highlight, so she never really business about him after that. And Tavi are one of the person we push him have to take some of the blame too for push her away, you know what I mean? But she know the type of person. She a watch TikTok. Me know say she don't watch TikTok for the longest while. So she know how him stay, she know say him head no good. You know what I mean? So you didn't know where you get yourself into. It's what I say. But when I level with people, see she left him there, and I feel like say Yellow Boss are the next person where she go link with, cause you know what I mean, she want to stay in a circle, like in the TikTok circle, and still get the highlight, and you know what I mean, be relevant. Me just feel like say she have an ulterior motive linking up with King Tavi, and getting popular on TikTok was the ulterior motive. Let me know what you think.
Okay.
But a man TJ, a man can't do what a woman can't do.
Here I know. I get look at sodomite girl them like when you say true now. Look at sodomite. Lily go lick out the 2 man batty them where you have fuck. But name out your mother Lily. It's a regular new pages me can this now me can't get no. Hey Lily go name out your mother.
So TJ, so let me tell you something TJ. If you touch 50 woman, right? And a girl touch 60 man. Them a go call
I see him.
Them a call she or them a call you star. Oh yeah, tell me, TJ.
I thought they're true still. I thought they're true.
TJ, them a go say you're a star, bro. And them a go say that girl a bitch.
So why the girl can't be star too? Why the girl can't say yo you're a star too? Fuck 50 man.
That's true, man. You know fear.
Enough you were on a level dog.
We're on a level, dog. You see it?
I mean, you were on a level. What do you mean you were on a level?
That's unfair, Jayden, when I really look on it.
You double standard, yes. A double standard, yes.
Yeah, man. And you know, for Gus, dog.
No, I really not like how I don't really take this thing serious.
But TJ, I'm just telling you, remember, so woman have old, and we have old.
TJ, you know, say them not take it serious, bro. Them just want cause. You see me?
Some people are taking serious land, they really are this girl and talk about the girl. My you, somebody can do for 1 month, and the girl I do content we do now, and it's them are going like a OF content,
Well,
not regular content.
TJ, I'm not busy for all of you want black me now. You're going to fuck, you know. You see, but it look away.
Not all no look away. I can't believe say really believe say look away, Jayden. Literally, bro, like this. Jayden, the girl now do nothing more than make one little video. I'm gonna like first and foremost. I'm gonna show you because remember say it's a man all about your blood clot money.
If you don't,
but the money in a Jayden, the girl want make a little money and Jayden at worst able. Remember say able just to promote the Airbnb, bro. A content of money.
Exactly.
Listen now, if me a Tavi, me not pre-able. With a pre-girl.
But you can't pray, bro. They left.
Every pretty girl on the left, Jayden.
Exactly.
Bro, when you're a woman left, that woman do anything them want, brother.
Anything
you
at all.
Emotionally detach yourself.
Anything
when
at
you're
all.
a woman left, you're a woman left. You're in a business where a woman want to do after that.
Right.
TJ, what you know? Let me tell you something, TJ. It's out of every woman on me. Let me tell you, it's out of every woman on me David. We know one way more militant than her. One of them. Cause when me and Ashley left, she go link pops.
Oh, so that's how you talk, so.
Me feel where dog go through, bro.
Feelings.
Bad man,
Bro.
me feel where dog go through, bro. Yeah,
Alright,
understand where dog go through, bro.
Miss Jojo, even
But Jayden,
let me show you
the thing
something.
is,
Let me show. You see what other people
Jayden.
we just not like on the stage. You see, even if we not say she do it intentional, she entitled for do that, bro. The amount of disrespect where the girl sit down and take. Disrespect all the girl pitney. She free for do anything, whether spite or not spite.
TJ will understand the whole of that.
So what the problem?
TJ, militancy.
What, this is being militant. She's being militant.
No.
Come like I don't want the girl curl up on the ball one side for the rest of her life.
That's no militancy, TJ. Fuck you, I tell you.
A militant move that. Make a boy know say, yeah, you not stop my life. I can live my life and do anything. You diss me, go nyam out your mother after that. We don't give a fuck what you want to feel about me. That's how life go, bro. I want to you, Jayden.
Alright, TJ.
Yeah, go like it was a happily ever after relationship and somebody cheat. No,
Yeah,
bro,
yeah,
the man
yeah,
disrespect the girl left, right, and center.
Girl, no want nobody in a militancy, brother.
We have militancy.
Girl, no
TJ,
want nobody in a
you notice,
militancy.
TJ, you notice when a man diss me, bro, or whatever, bro, you notice me stay by myself, me not go look at new friend, you know.
Yeah. So that, I don't understand what that Joffy.
Me not go look at new friend, dog, me one out to myself, bro.
Jayden, yeah, mix up this thing, I know.
Exactly. And the people when they comment, you can know on a level of education. Dance! All I know. All I know where I agree with Jayden. Because Jayden smarter than the whole of and don't even realize.
Where you talk about Teaser? Where you talk
Jayden smarter than the whole of
Teaser, I don't know where you talk
This when Jayden talk there's something I want to jump up and talk about. I laugh, the man I laugh and then guy in blood clot. Because when I'm supposed to say, then get done.
Anybody when me say do something, me go make a video like me. I say, oh, that's somebody or whatever, and me just make a video of it. And Jamaican, long time no see. And me make one video, you know, and me delete it back. Me make 2 videos and me delete it back. You did know say this is our intro me I go now. You did know say you have a boy on TikTok, yeah? Where him not like woman, him only pretend like him like woman, him use them as shield. Like for shade, say him straight, but him not like woman. One young boy, one TikToker. And me go no another little in pretending to him. Listen how him talk to the girl them and listen how him talk to the man them. Woman is just a shield for him, but him nature of a man. But him a pretend with uno say him like girl, but him don't like girl. Him nature of a man, and pay attention when him a man in a box, or him happy and him feel good. But when him and a woman up on the screen, whether him a fuck them or not, him behavior is total different. Me make the video yesterday and me delete the video because me tell you, he's an observer and me observe people. Him don't like girl, him like boys. And him need to just come out one day and just tell the public, say, this is the truth from the Almighty up above. My nature is for boys, not for girls. I don't know how me talk. I don't know how me, but it's just the truth. Me is an observer, and me make the video yesterday and I said, sure, sometime in a life, you know, people see things and people not say nothing, but me are the person when me see it, especially if it a ride my chest, I want to get it off. Boss, chick, what's up? So that is something where me are good enough to look into and see the difference. It take him a week or 2 weeks for disrespect a girl, even if him a fuck them. But when him there on the man them, especially the gay them, him is so vibrant. I call name a one. Most of the people that me like comment know who me attack already, so me not have to call no name. Then know who me attack. Me alone can't see it, you know. Other people have to have the same eye as when me have to, you know. To see it, you know. Just like how when you're there in your community, you can know say that little boy they go turn a batty man, you know. You can know say that little girl they go be lesbian because you see how she act like boy, or you see how him, you can know, you can see it and nobody not tell you. That's how me can see it on the internet. A lot of these little boys, you know, say them are pretend to be a man, but them is not a man. Them more are go up on the girly side. But because of shame face. Yes, because of shame face. And what people are going to say, them don't want to be the real them. And this is the thing I want to understand. A lot of boys born with feminine genes. Some of them follow because them lazy.
People, wanna tell me what you think in the comment section, because me not lie, me looking at the comment section and me are telling you say be a lion man me I see. But tell me if him wanna think or somebody else, when you not hear like who come to mind when you not hear Dana say whatever. If you know like have the lion man or somebody else in her mind when she said that, let me know what you think.
And want go sell F like woman. You understand? But some of them are so them born, them can't change it. And the reason why me I go say that to you, because me know a little 4-5-year-old from him a 5, me could have tell you say him a go be a gay. And him is a 5-year-old is a baby. But you can see the feminine in him from him a little baby. Him start change all the way him walk. Him not play with boy, him want play with dolly. Him want there where the little girl them there. Him no want there where the little him no play football. Him, you understand? You can know them. So you see them one day, I saw them born. Them can't help it. Them born with the feminine genes. But some of them, then just grew up and fall and say, so me no decide to give no girl nothing, and me no want there with no girl, a man me want to mind me, and then just go turn a fish. But some of them are so them born. And everybody have one of them in a them community where they can say, me did know say that little boy I never did go be a man, you know, him that go turn out in a one girl. Just by how him act from him small. Dainty, feminine, and like you say, yeah boy pick the man, go and go play out that. No, him no want do that. Him no want do that. Him want cloak in the house, him no want come out. Him, you can know them from early. Some of them is so tidy. Notice how they carry themselves as little as them be. Them no want to dirty and all of them something there. Like cause the woman gene in them, you know. Them want to carry themselves clean. Normally, regular little boy, dirty foot, tear up foot pants, tear off shorts. No. The one them who have the feminine genes, you can't see them like that. Like they start take care of themselves from early. Them not even want to go shop. They want to stay in the house. Yeah, they want to grow in the house. Because that's how them feel like them is a little girl. So you have to nurture them. But them a boy, but that's how they born. They can't help it. So you know, and a lot of the parents them know too, but they can't do nothing about it. They know say them son are going to turn in a girl because him a ask of him a little picnic, little picnic. They start put on all them mother spike heel shoes. I train them, you know. And you as the parents go and laugh about it. But at the way where I go choose, at the way them brain I go. We can't have we tyrant way as a road. But when it comes to your relationship, you have to make a man be a man. Thank you. You have to make a man be a man. When a man talk to you talk to him like a woman. Not talk to him like a man. A man talk to a man. And that's why a lot of poor woman end up with the rich woman them. Husband and man. And that's the thing, you know. Because you know use all you have over them. So them can't even get a chance to love you know. Them only love one you have. So them can break off at any time. Because them never love one from day one. And that's why all time people say money can't buy love. And the way they mean. Because anytime the money done, the love done too. But if you get it naturally, when you get love naturally, it not have no way to go, you know. All if you and the person break up for 10 years, you can't forget the person, you know. Because it was natural love, not by love. Enter you see a person left and go back and left and a natural love. That's why them can't go back to each other so many times. Like them can't do without each other. Just see a little, like maybe a year, a month, 2 years, and end up go back together again. Because the love was real. You feel like a man, I'm going to say this to you again. You see a man and a woman will love. You can't love a man to your heart, body and soul and in a 1 month you move on. You never love that person. You never love that person. If you love a man or you love a woman and you move on in a less than a month, you find somebody else, you never love that person. Because you have to give yourself time to heal. And all in your head, the person coming back. You have to try and make it work. You have to try it one more time. So you don't have time to go find new relationship already. And the relationship when you love now, you know. Then you can just move on in a week, 2. Quick can you see them with somebody else already. Cannot never.
Alright, the people, I want to tell more the thing because you see, for the longest while when me hear Dan talk, me know say Dan is a type of person who don't believe in a give man things, you know what I mean? Because all fear life a man always a give she things. So, me don't know if she give man things like, you know what I mean, gifts for this and gifts for that, but she don't really mind, man. You see me, I don't think she do that. So she have a different perspective from a woman who independent and feel like say, if she have a man who don't really have it, she have to give him things. Not really mind him. I don't feel secure did I give the G money for him stay with her. I feel like say, she just love him and she just give him things. You know what I mean? Naturally. Just like how man love woman and give woman things naturally and them way there. You see it. So I want to tell more the thing to people and make her watch some more.
They from day one. They made pretend for the camera. And the camera they made pretend for, you know. It wasn't real. That's the thing. If you are going to foreign, you know, and everything with the man have a you buy it game. God Jamaica not go with nothing and see what happen. The first thing Mark say, where your suitcase there? So you know carry nothing for me. You can look at him face expression and know say him not pleased. Can him tell himself say you're obligated to him, you know, and that's how you start the relationship. So you're not supposed to come there without, boy, you come there with, boy. No, we just come for one night for see and go back. So you could carry one pants and one shirt. All you did, they come like, you know, entice him, because you know, carry nothing for him. Because I expect every time you come here for carry, because that's how you're broken. And that's why I'm a pretend say him like you know, but him not really like him like what you give him and the things where you have and how you make him feel with. So as you left him can go muggle with other people too. And notice every time when they are foreign and when I mind them man them in their country, whether that's Jamaica any country, notice that they have the woman where they made a dead for in the country. That's why most of them not stand no chance as them come a friend because their mind not there so with you. Their mind they back at Jamaica. Because number one, as them come, so the ruling start. You know want tell them how to live, where to wear, where to go, and at the everything start change. Because you know start the relationship as a man. That's the thing, you know. Good morning. When you start the relationship as a man. Anybody want to come up, come send out and call me off? I don't know my time I go up anytime soon, you know. And ladies, this is our next thing again. Anytime when you deal with a man, and you don't realize that you have to ask them for things. Especially for somebody who can afford it. That man don't want you know. You see a man will want a woman, he know a woman needs. And a lot of you know have them kind of man there, and every time you want something you have to, all if a pitney you have for them, if you want one pampers, you have to go to a man for it. So a man don't know say baby want a pampers. And at them man they you fight for, you war for, you make excitement for. And the man don't really care about you. So you want me? You understand? The man don't really care about you. Because number one, a man will care about woman, you know. Number one, babes, you eat already? What you want to eat? What you want me to care for you? All them little things that matter, you know. Some of you there with man, and if you not tell a man say you not go somewhere and want a man nah ask you no for carry no go nowhere. Them that never take you no not even one time. And at them the man they wanna war for. And kill up on yourself and not tell people say you no man love you no. Some of you are just spare for the time being till they find better. Cause they find out say you not eat that and no sense. And all of the women them, all of them, come here use social media. All of them when we see on social media, we mind the man them. Not one of them end up with the man them. Then give them their last and then not end up. That for sure you say, it's not about what you can do for your man. Just like how you know there with a man when I nothing and a fuck with one where you go no something, but you don't want the one where you go no something, you know. You don't want the one when I have nothing. I saw a man them. You know where I give them, they don't want to, you know. I want them when I have nothing they want. I see them where you go, vice versa. Cause a whole heap of girl take money from man where they don't want, figure give to you one where they want. We don't want them. You see your life funny? Right, you have to make man be man. Alright, me there on man every day, you know. Me there on man all the time and me listen to man talk, you know. Me listen, alright. Say for instance, I'm there at Jamaica. I'm in the gambling house. And me talk about real like ghetto man. Me listen to the man them where before they start gambling, then call somebody and say, carry this go give me baby mother. Carry this go give me woman. Give me woman this or woman lunch money this or this or dinner. They might make certain say you have what you have. If one party I come at them and say, this is for me woman in a face, she go buy her shoes and me go hustle money for she buy her clothes in a week, yeah. You understand? Some of them don't give a fuck. Some of them don't give a fuck whether if you want heat or you want. Some of them I say, oh, you can't go down and mama go get food. Them they are no man. Them only think about themselves. So all of we as woman meet man where we know from heaven and earth that this man is not the right person because this man only care about himself. This man no care about me. Because think about this. You now work and you there with a woman. The woman now work and you now work. You're not thinking of yourself, say, so when all this a woman here survive, where you get money from? But yet still you don't want to come at woman yard come eat every day. You now wonder where woman get money from. Now must the next man might get it from figure. And some of them don't care because that's how they want to live like a woman. You see the man them like that now, them are the one where easily returning a fish. Because them love sweets and they want people to mind them. You understand? And them when they turn in a fish. The big fish them. The king queer them. Because them don't want to be a man. You see a man where we go look work to get a woman, that is a man. A man where we go work.
Alright my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. Because most of them say her perspective, that's her opinion. You know what I mean? Because you are going, you tell me say a man have a good looking girl from foreign. See him? And she forward without nothing when she a come link him. You tell me say the man no glad to see him woman. Not even look good girl. A man have a woman just in general. You tell me say the woman now have crutches. That's a one thing where man now go resist. You see me I say? Even if him have a next woman who I deal with. You know what I mean? She can't just speak in general. So you know what I mean? Some man. And listen to the double standard you know my people. You hear she say, woman, if you have a man and you have to ask him for things, him no want you, him no like you. So why woman can't give man things just like woman can give woman things? If you in a better situation than the next person, that means that you can give him like how if him did in a better situation. Right now woman a fight for equality, you know. You see me? And then like back in the days when woman never did a work on them something. Woman a work more money than man, you know. So you can't look on and say woman a give man things and that not right. No. Woman can give man just like how man can give woman. Let me know what you think.
Work for him family them, that is a man. A man will wake up and go hustle to make sure say woman have food in the house, that is a man. The one them will sit down and wait for girl for mind them a girl. Who a woman mind me, you know, me not are your parents' job that? That's not your woman job, that's your parents' job. But as me say, a lot of these women play a man role. Me not say sometimes you can't help out a man. Yes. But help him to help himself. Not help him when I depend upon your morning, noon and night. That means him not go do nothing. So the next woman him find him and say, oh, my baby man used to take care of me. So the next woman me find have to do the same thing. It's not supposed to work like that. It's not supposed to work like that. And at that, I mash up the relationship, fraternity, because a lot of these women play a man role. A lot of these women play a man role. Them not be a woman. Them a try to be a man. You have also man. The way they treat them woman at their yard. But the girl a road where I give them things, I hear them and say, oh, my woman a road no want nothing from me. Nothing she no want from me. She alright, she no want nothing from me. But him have to make it him point a duty if he take care of one and yard. You understand? So he go. So him a play, good morning, him a play man and yard. But a road, him have a girl out there where I mind him. You know, she try to buy him away from the woman when he live with. And this is the next thing when I say, when I did do the video the other day. When me say a lot of woman take a next woman man because of the woman. And that is something we come to me thought the day when me make the video. Because a lot of we woman, you know, when we really look back on life, you know. Say for instance, say, we see a man in the community, we don't want the man, you know. Make a girl take him up, wash him off, and start take care of him. At then time they will want him now. We never want him all along, you know. But we want him because somebody wash him off and he look like somebody now. We are going to go to our way to get him away from that person and make him and the person in a big problem. Because we start hype up and go on so she going to know say we and him there now. Guess what happened now? When we finally get him now, him not have nothing to give away. After we done mash up the people in life now, we don't want the responsibility with him now, because guess what? All the way, you did see him with everything with him that because of she. But no, for we never know that. You understand? So we look on it the other way around and say, blood clot, that girl ever look good that me say the boy a mine her up, the boy a this, the boy a that. That time she do it for the boy now, we don't know, you know. And we fight for the people in relationship, you know, and take over the people in relationship and know when the people then give with the man, say take him, go out with him. That's why she easier to let him go so fast, because she know she do everything, you know. Blood clot when you get him in Josh, yeah, tell him to go on back. Go back home.
Nobody don't want to sell crutches we go mind one next man. You're the only girl sell crutches we go mind a next man. You sell crutches we go mind a next man and the man refuse you still. Man refuse you, girlie. You give a green card like you give a ticket. That policeman issue fucking ticket and the man still refuse you. The man couldn't even stay and pretend with you to get the green card. I never see this yet. Me never see this yet in that chat. Man, me never see what man can stay and pretend to get the green card. Me never see this yet. Me get she give a green card and share the man that the man couldn't even stay low and pretend the man hate you. The man hate you, girlie. The man hate you. What you mean you rebuke the lifestyle nurse? We have to rebuke the lifestyle. I want the lifestyle. Other prefer can chat people every last day. You beg, borrow and thief for mine, man. You beg, borrow and thief for mine, man. And where get you? Where get you? Where get you? Nothing. You sit up on TikTok sad as fuck. That's all they get you. You beg, borrow, thief and sell your crutches for mine, man. Where get you? You're up on TikTok sad as fuck. I crash out over one man. We are living life in the Bahamas. Bahamas, the man there, no? She thief, she scam every fucking thing for mine, man. Everything for mine, man, for proof point to man, and the man still don't choose you. Look what the man go choose. Shauna Chin. And that I hurt you. Look what the man choose. Shana Chin and it a hurt. Your girl, you hurt. Right now, if we cut you, we can't even find blood in you. The way how you hurt. Okay? Go and go sit down. Because you're a real idiot. Me and Kay go sit down over here and chat to you every day. Every day. Thank you, guys.
I don't cuss liar already. Me could have followed up liar. I must have been do a liar though. Like are people business.
Do you think say you could have do me? You could have Rochelle me? Make it try that shit. Make we go bank for bank. We go toe to toe every day. You think you could have do Rochelle me, bitch? Or you could think you could have do that? That's what you think you could have do. You come over here, come bully Rochelle. You can't bully me, bitch. Cause right now you look worse than Rochelle. Cause at least Rochelle husband gone back to her. At least Rochelle, and the same thing that tell Rochelle say, if you stop crash out over her man and look what you over here do. And Rochelle, they have two pitney, they with the man and have postpartum and crash out over the man. And the same thing you over here do. You don't have nothing with the man. At least she did have two pitney with the man. Where you have fear crash out over. Yeah, tell the girl if you stop. Where you have fear crash out over. See her man gone back to her. I same thing that tell Rochelle, you know. And the same thing that tell Rochelle say leave the man alone and stop crash out over the man. So she gone back to the man. She do what if you cuss the man. The same thing where you want with it to know, that was what you were doing. I tell Rochelle if you stop. Crash out over the man. The same thing where you do now we tell you if you stop. Stop crash out over the man. And the same thing Rochelle do I bring down the man over here and I crash out over the man. And because we never cuss the man for her, she upset. It is the same thing you're doing now. You are crash out over the man and you want we for cuss the man. Cuss the man for what? See Rochelle do what we cuss Denier. Now she and Denier back and happy together. As she and Denier they happy together now. As she and Denier they happy together. She didn't mad because we now cuss her class Denier. And look what you do. The same fucking thing you do. The same exact thing. But guess what? She had 2 children. Where you have a big old hole. A big empty hole. A big empty hole you have. At least you'd have filed for 2 children. And all you have is a big empty hole.
I got my blood clot.
Hi, El.
Wake up early in the morning to talk people business.
Yes. Yes.
Wake up the next morning with people
Yes. Yes. Are you go your bed? I sell crutches. I worry about who go sell crutches for mine, man. Are you wake up the next day? I worry about who you go sell.
Alright, the people, tell me one thing because everybody me here I say a karma reach K. You know what I mean? A karma reach her because of how she deal with Rochelle. When Rochelle did a crash out over fear, man. You see me? But the people, woman I go have them, at least people are going to have them opinion in general. If you are a public figure and you do certain things, other people are going to have them opinion. You see me? So K can have her opinion about Rochelle and we can have our opinion about K. You know what I mean? Because you never know your reaction until you are go in that situation then, my people. Then you are going to see how you are going to react. Because certain things you can't plan your reaction. You know what I mean? Just your emotions are going to take over and you are going to say what you see and do what you do. You know what I mean? So let me know what you think. Make me watch some more.
Killer crutches to for mine, man. Yes, and that we do. We better talk people business. We wake up and we talk people business. And you go your bed with a big old hole. I wonder who you gonna sell the next day. And you still a selling the man not stay with you. The man not staying with you in your big hole. And that we do. That's you sell crutches to man, the man still not stay with you, gally, in your big old hole. Big hole girl can't come but nobody over here, so make we talk people business. We not sell no crutches to mine, no man. We not scam and we not sell crutches to mine, no man. Me talk anybody business. You're a whore. You're a whore, you're a muckers.
Nobody business not nice for me. I'm very sorry.
I lie, tell girl your business nice. How much you talk about, El? Girl, your business nice. Your business nice. Your business nice. Not even lifetime the nice, so. Your business. What she a talk about, Chad? What she a talk about? She a idiot, girl? She don't say her business nice. Why think we over here talking? Your business nice. That's why we are talking. You fucking idiot. Bob, nobody business nice. Your business nice. Cause it's a big stinking worthless girl. Real life. On a storybook we hear them as something here. We never know them as something happen in a real life, bitch. Your business nice. And every day we are talking. Go take off a dirty map there for your head too. Your head supposed to frozy and sweaty. Like your hole. Your head supposed to smell like your hole. Go take off that half of your head stinking girl. And go bathe.
Liar, eat and sleep and shit people business.
Yes! I'm glad you know. Okay. How you know, Jelly? I'm glad you know.
I won't tell her.
I won't tell you. You just learn. I'm glad you know. Raw teacher, commercial break. Oh, you never tell me so World Dog and Yannick left. You said chat. Oh, you never tell me so World Dog and Yannick left. The World Dog, oh yeah, I didn't think they from me. You said chat me get it, so World Dog and Yannick left. Yes! So love you did hide that from me too? You didn't know? Yes, they left to karate. They not study the same house. They said she gone over no budget crew. World Dog money don't she never World Dog money. I know she have a no budget crew. Yes, over triple man crew she gone. Yes, why you not tell me that? I don't like when you hide things from me. Yeah, she got over triple man crew, no budget. I could mix up at some ear. Look at yes, cause remember them my big scammer, no, you can't compete with them. I won't name so. I don't name so boss lady. I will boss lady talk about K. I wouldn't people.
I'm not see what she's saying.
Boss lady says something.
Oh, man, I know them people in there.
We don't know them. Yeah, but that we hear chats the World Dog and Yannick left. Yeah, me continue with the whole girl. The girl say we sleep, eat and shit people business. Right. Girl, you're glad you know. I'm glad you know. Oh, one time Blonde let me pay the recording when she has scammed the bank. Oh, you there? Me say they left. Me say she our body not belong. But then say she gone over the no budget crew. I say crew, triple man crew name over there, so she gone. Chat me say over there, so she gone. No budget crew. So World Dog, like old guy said that World Dog over there World Dog a big fist something there. Then easy if you go help World Dog get back in woman. How he fight for that the woman there? How him fight for that the woman there fight the whole of it on TikTok and cuss you out for that the woman there? Then watch out and go laugh of time. You know much people in cuss for that the woman there chat. And with them I see her upon one boat, you know, with people with one people. I said then I see her man there. Yeah, Florida, my trash gone. Florida.
Alright, my people, just tell me what you guys think in the comment section. And you know, so me see her up on the boat ride for true, my people. And I did wonder the same thing like where World Dog there. But true, me know people are them own people, big woman and big man, and them can go out and enjoy themselves if they want. Me never did that think too much of it. So now it said that she and the G left. Wow. Me know what I think. Go watch some more.
My trash gone. Florida, my trash gone, chat. Florida, my trash gone. Yes, they left chat.
Now, the thing is, uno know say uno not get no visa from February.
I want to kick the can down the road. It was so easy for not waste people time. What if somebody go come so boom, right? And have the last blood clot 30 pounds and then take you buy a ticket. The last 30 pounds and take you buy a ticket. Eh? Suppose somebody ain't have no money and then go to them way go buy one dress or buy one shoes and say them a prepare for go at your show because them are your real fans. Them are your real supporter. And you don't feel like you don't owe these people no sorry, no explanation, no nothing. Don't worry about the people them will cuss you. On the claims that bashing up on TikTok. Worry about the people them will support you. And in that light, Mrs. say you don't care about you support. And you have to care about the people them will support you in a matter what. You're supposed to care about the people them who want to claim money they'll come here, come see and whatever. You understand? Some of them understand how people feel. It's like say, you are with people. And Jamaican people stay so long time. You know why we always have the done them in the area? Because Jamaican have a tendency to follow things that them follow back a strength when them follow back a weakness. And that may I tell you. The weaker you be, the only want to be popular. If you even have no sense, if you don't have no leadership skill, if you don't have no, you just want one somebody to say, oh yeah man, just do some fuckery. Do fuckery and you see how quick you actually get. Because remember saying no, the most popular people them on TikTok in the Jamaican genre. In the Jamaican genre, the most popular people them on TikTok are be a fucker them do. Day in, day out. Remember saying no, look for a person like me and you can get people who say them a big woman and say them a decent people in a real life. End up over here can cost me for Rosealee. Who in a their right mind with proper sense. No, nobody now say Rosealee a dog and she a human being. Of course she a human being. But who in their right mind if you take up themselves and come cost me for Rosealee? Oh. Who in their right mind would I do that? Who in their right mind? Hold on the TikTok. Babes, go look a bit further, yeah? Babes. Yeah, go look a bit further. I not hear what you say, but I kind of hear you. I not hear what you say, but I kind of hear. Better you go downstairs. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. You understand? $155 million %. We need to come to some realization as you and know say, yo, this thing here is not a joke. Now listen, most of these TikTokers, here what they do now, we know say them make all the money. We don't have no problem with them making their money. Make all the money, yeah. But here what changes none of them make since them make all of their money? What changes them make in their society or in anywhere they come from? What good them actually do? What them do? Boy, girl, twin. None. They haven't done nothing. They haven't done nothing. And here we're going up now. One of the worst thing of the hungry belly people come into money. And that's the problem, you know. Because you see when somebody hungry, when somebody hungry and used to being hungry and then thinks that the whole system did against them and now they go come in money, then now blood clot bust nobody. Before one of them TikToker here even call your blood clot name over here and then thinks that you'll get little clout. Then thinks that you'll get a little clout, yeah? So hear them, I now call your name because I don't want you get no clout. At the highest level of bad mind that. When I be other people over here, remember say, we, the people them where them with a cast as small ranker, and we call their name and highlight them, you know, and make, alright, in England, none of them not even can reach in the England journal, you know, if me not call their name, you know. When I call them name now, and other people check them out or whatever, them pop up on other people name in England. When enough of we, like, cause I remember say a different zone, me and them in a. Me and them in a total different blood clot zone. So to all them TikTok are your bad mind. You would never say, yo, the show now have no more date, cause they don't have no visa, then could have 100, we don't have, we not depend no more date. Shanique, we not work with no more new date. Once a man tell you say, you can go back, go get a refund, we might do something in April, we not work with that. Yeah? You don't now listen to none of them have no visa. I just take out the shame out of people, yeah. Yeah? And to make people not ask back for their money. Because then things are something go happen. So it's up to you now if you go hold on that and you don't remember. You know say, you end up have the ticket and you don't remember say you don't have the ticket. That's why they don't talk about it. Enough people probably buy the ticket and don't remember nothing about the blood class show. And their money just gone. You hear me tell you? Enough people buy the ticket. Listen, we not work with no date can set. No more date can set. No more date can set. Cause listen, saying that we might do something and it's not in our control. Yeah, but even if Diamond have
some people a job prayer I make it be known say them people you know say them never get the visa and them still, you know what I mean, make the people them feel like say them a go to the show UK. But you are go on my people. See? You see, if it just like the Candy situation, the Candy and Roger situation when Candy never get the visa. So I say them come out and say she didn't get the visa. That could have cramped the show style, you know what I mean? Because other people they get them visa, but she alone never get it. So that would make some people who want to see Candy no got the show. And the people them spend their money, you know what I mean? To keep a party where them would have loved to see the biggest turnout possible. So you don't want to keep that a secret. But if majority of the people them were supposed to come at the show don't get them visa, it's supposed to make the people them know. Because the show will cancel at the end of the day. So you make the people them know so nobody no go buy up no clothes and them something there. You know what I mean? Next time. But if it's like a one person out of the crew no get them visa, you know go say boy I announce it and make the people them know who want to see that person they not come. Make them come and full joy themselves. You just didn't see who you originally wanted to see. I say it have to go because the promoter want to make back their money. You see me I say? So me no want to think. Make watch some more.
Visa, yeah? Diamond come here last year, February, get a 6-month visa that run out. You should probably go back and then turn her down. And now listen to me as a collective. Because remember say our 2 and 4 are 6. A 6 somebody then say I come at the one show. So with the 6 somebody I come at the one show, yeah, that application there is with all one somebody. And one somebody get the whole of them passport case for look pan. One. Because it's the whole of them are come at the same destination. To the same thing. To the same thing the whole of them want to come perform. You hear me tell you now? Now let me tell you this and let me tell you this clear. Them no get no visa. A Juna alone get visa. Jayden no get no visa neither too. Jayden no have no visa. And no money in a bank give visa. Remember say you know? Remember you know? Down at Jamaica you know? Most of them TikTok you know? You can't go to their yard go rob them you know? Because their money there in yard. Then TikTok your money no in no bank. That's why you see them hardly have nothing because they not put no money in no bank. And like the money have to send to them. When they cash out them TikTok money, them have to go pick up in a cash. Unna realize that. That's why you see when them TikTok you buy nothing, then go buy it cash. When them TikTok you pick up them money a week time, then pick up in a cash and go blow it out. It's easy to blow out a blood clot million. Only just look on a million at Jamaica and think a whole heap of money. And a whole heap of money because if I got a party, one cabana for 300,000. Them got a party every week. Them got a party every week. The plus, everywhere they go, them have to pay people because if a dog them know say you name food and you not give them none, you have a target on your back. So a whole heap of people them have to pay off too. When no say them depend on TikTok and make money. So the TikToker them can't just roam free like that out there. Them have to pay them dues. Yeah, nobody feel like say, oh, a Jamaica that a man see up on TikTok every day I beg. You go have couple killers say, you know say, that boy they up on TikTok I beg and him a make some money, you know, yo, page a boy they win. That's why you say, ask them. Why don't you think say Hakeem them and them boy they think I just because I know think them walk with smart security. Them have to walk with that. Cause extortion run Jamaica. Everybody knows the extortion. When it come on to the criminal world, worse of them a card clean up on TikTok. So no know say extortion run for them world. It's not like say them a deal with no proper extortion run them TikTok a your world. Remember when me tell you that there. So nobody watch how much money them a get cause most side pay out pan extortion and them thing there too. And party a week time, clothes, them love order out food and the whole of them the type of something there. Right? Seeing? Because think
involved now with me being upset with she. I'm wanting to tell me if me wrong. Chill. I'm wanting to tell me which part me wrong or if me wrong for feel some type of way. And you me go through. Me never go through nobody else. Because Mommy Sweetness and I tell her about it. Mommy Sweetness I tell me for call Tan. I tell Mommy Sweetness I never did one call Tan because I never go through Tan. I need to talk to Tan. I talk to Love. I love them me go through a year link and you make me know the people them where deal with the thing. So are you have the guy whatever you know Snapchat or wherever you text the guy pan. When me feel somewhere and vex about now is the fact that every time I tell you to text this man about my money, your messages them is so dry. Love, ask the guy for my refund. Okay, me I go text him, see what him said done. Boom, you not text in a call back. Me have a text you again. Love, what the guy has about my refund? Me go see if him text him back or me go call him back on Snap. Done. You not text me back no. Me have a text you again. Love, what go on for my money? The guy, here the guy I go tell her say, me must send back my money Sunday. You send back my money Sunday. Me now wait till Sunday. I need to start school Monday. That money I have to pay Ice school fee Monday. Me now take it out of my pocket because I don't have my 350 that me I go use. Boom. She say, the guy say him a pray. The guy say him a pray. And he might make me get it before Sunday. He might make me get it, which is today, Saturday, early in the morning. He must have did a pray. A pray. Alright, boom. It end up that me, Mommy Sweetness, Love and Tantan reach on the phone because I make them know say call Tantan because Love did tell me say a Tantan people them. When me and Mommy Sweetness call Tantan yesterday, Tantan I gonna make me know say share our love I talk about. Here what Tantan make me get upset now when me almost get vexed with she. Imagine me I call you, I tell you a thing what happened to me and me I defend my 350 and you still introduce me for go do another fuckery. That piss my head now. Me I call you thinking say you know what go on because Love say your people them and I Canada they live at your links them and me I call you with the on the phone with Mommy Sweetness forget about my 350 and all the thing you tell me say Vanya I don't know about that but the guy that I use and the guy that I know of I can give you his information. Girl me just tell us I want my 350 you introduce me to another guy to give me another info for what? For what? If I get back my 350 right in Atlanta, you think me not get back my 350? You don't know who name Vani. You don't know who name Vani. Boom! I go sub up now. I mean I say watch ya, I start get mad on the phone. I mean I say watch ya. One at a time, Tantan start to show and pick up for love. Come to her say, love say a yearling. She said, me don't know which guy that love a talk about. Me I link different. But every time me I say love say a yearling, she want change the topic I talk about something else. In my head, me I say, why I try to cover you? No, to an liar then. I'm aware of call love now, cause some me like to squid things now, you know. Me now go talk on behalf of two different persons. Me go add love to the call. So I say, hold on, me add love to the call. So I add love to the call. Love will tell me, say, here love lie now. Love will tell me, say, man, remember me tell you, say, I want different guy. You never tell me that. I have my receipt them. You never tell me, say, the guy will do this, do that, or do that. You never tell me, so you tell me. The guy will get the account number, and him we are talked about for the Amazon, some of them were half and half where him, some half and half where him start about. And then I said to yourself, well, like how this a person seem to look like they can do everything. Ask them if they have nobody who can co-parent, because you have co-parent, co-sign. Everybody knows that we have an Alfian credit out. And see me pay out the 3,000 there, my credit need drop when I take out the credit card there. So my, and the car what me want, 100k car, I want aim.
Alright, my people. You know, I'm not share the more. I share look more of this. You see me, then we go over to senseless and unique with people. You look like says a next TikTok couple. This, you see it. Unique all over senseless my people. You see me like say she carry the crutches for just dash out and give like how she carry it go give able. You know what I mean? Maybe me couldn't hear what she have to say and tell me what you think about that, cause what she said to you, man, to me, not even to me, to everybody who are gonna hear this know say yo, how the crutches she can't go give the man. You know what I mean? So I could watch a bit more of this and then go over there.
63 Mercedes Coupe AMG me one. Let a carry like 80,000, 100k thousand. So my little credit when me have can buy the car. So everybody know me they look co-sign. So I said to her, so like how him seem to can do everything. Ask him if him don't know co-sign. Love say RS you ask you. You never tell me say are two different people. You tell me say are the same man and a Tantan people. They on the phone now you tell me say are the same people. Lie. You is a liar. You never tell me that. Lie. Tired of the lie. Boom. Tantan now says she go make sure the guy send me money or with up on the phone. Next lie. You just tell me say you know what love I talk about. You don't know that the guy there. You only know about your guy. So oh no, you are gonna make sure say me get back my money from another guy where you don't know nothing about. That makes sense. Now add up. It just now add up. Or you're gonna get back my money from somebody where you don't know about. You know add up. Boom! Me don't give a fuck about them lie. Me don't catch on pan that me just want me 350. It never that for reach us so. It never that for be a big deal. Me show you how it reach us so now. Text love again. Hey, when me go get my money? The guy say you're gonna get your money a morning, which is today, Saturday morning. Alright, boom. Talk truth now, guys. Now love supposed to text me first. If he is a true friend to me, but been ask him my money couple days now. But been ask him my money couple days now. You know why me have to come out come do this? You're not showing no interest like you try. Help me get back my money. It's tapping eyes. Even if you're really helping me get back the money, you're not showing me. Say you try help me get back my money. But I'm block that girl, yeah. You're not showing me in a message like you try help me get back my money. You make me feel like me a fear. Beg you for my money. Make my money, me I go down the station and go report it.
You know, say me not look good in a clothes.
Stop that.
Me look
Stop
better
that,
out that clothes, the truth.
No, when they play the game, they're
No, but me tell us say me look better out that clothes. But me I tell you the truth.
Me I hear. No, one day. No, let me slow down that. No, let me slow down that. When I hear me, I hear. No, only hear that. I mean, I don't hear that.
Just I tell her, the wall down me shame.
So you know what I could shit better?
Lean up now, calm down yourself and stop it.
No, I think I'm alone here. I just want somebody have witness.
You're not getting me a try set.
I know your shit better. Right?
When you're in a pants tie down your bottom.
Yeah, I understand. That's why you wear this one when I tie them now. You wear this is spite then. You wear this is spite.
Let me explain what happened, guys. Stop
you need to tell him that the moment. So, but you're the app.
Stop in night, Egbert.
I can't miss it. Wait, new series here. Nicola. Where this is spite then chat. In the half plan. I told some of them when we were chat.
Does
look very good.
Any questions, guys?
Me chat people, yes, but me not go deep down in them business. 100% of the time I don't care. Me chat people, of course. Of course, me not go say me not chat people, but me not go down in them business. 100% of the time I don't care. Me not care. That can't help me out in the land run. That can't help me out. Our one choose to live them life. That is for them business. That's why I don't live for the media, and I will never live for the media. I don't live for the internet. I never care about what someone wants to say. I come across one girl post, and the girl gonna make me know seminar look good. I'm gonna click down on her page. I did type on her post and just block her from my comment going. Because I still don't tell myself, so look at you, we are talking about people. And that's why from a young me hear this, you know. When you're in a people business, your business spoil, and it's not lie. When you're in a people business, your business spoil. I reach a point in my life, I can't afford for my business spoil my love, so I leave people business. I never used to trade.
Alright, my people, leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think, cause for the most part, still you know, my people, me no see Rosealee really from out there still. You know what I mean? This nobody certain way. Me always see people that come at her for whatever reason them have. You know what I mean? Maybe true she they have a clout and But let me tell you something, people. It's just a matter of time. You see, social media, everybody wants to be relevant at some point. You know what I mean? Maybe them not relevant today, and them hold out. Them not relevant tomorrow, them hold out. But me I tell you, them can't hold out forever. You see, once them clothes go down a little bit, just me tell you this, say, watch out for them. I shade somebody, I chat about somebody, or get involved in a mix up to get back the cloud. You know what I mean? So let me know what you think. I make you watch some more.
People always talk about me and I don't talk about them. They care what come up about them, I don't find it interesting or intriguing. And no way I wake up tomorrow morning and click my life and that one that would have beat me. That one that would have class when I cost me 2 months ago or 3 months ago or last year or 2 years ago. They gonna come out and up and yes, see your business, I mean have them the time there. Yeah, I have them the time there. Me see one man put up one post and say, you see the people you see the people in my house of people business, you see when the film business come out, you have to run. It's not like me not have them the time there. Me have time to come here, drink my look around, laugh and talk about people and play 2 games. That is me. I don't live my life to be unhappy. Happiness is the key to success. I don't. When me the poor and couldn't buy 2 pounds of rice, and Father God bless me, me can buy 1 pack of rice. Me not think say me feel happy. You see when me the poor
and couldn't buy 1 2 pound of rice. Now, Father God bless me abundantly where me can buy 1 pack of rice. Me not think I need to sit down and be unhappy. Me nah go do it. Me not think me go forever do that. Me nah make nobody on social media take away my joy. Cause me do have to surf the FYP. Me not have to scroll it. I don't. Me can't start my life, click my life, chat with my supporter, them run too much. There for the whole time, there for the whole time. Me end my life, me go turn on my TV, me go poke a pot and me go to the road. Me not have to surf the FYP, to see what I go on. And nothing is not really going on. Because there's a lot of things in the world there's a lot of things that is going on in the world that need some exposure. And someone will not talk about it. My mind small. Yeah. My mind small. My mind is very small-minded. You know, learn to create moments and create ideas when my mind small. There's a lot of things going on in the world. One whole heap of things. With America, Alaska, Asia, the continent, this, that. I want to never ever sit down and talk about it. We just live on one stop people over and over and over and over and over. Till it becomes boring. Till it becomes bored. It becomes bored and draining. Can't understand no ring so people name that. But don't you want to again? Chop. And the same old story over and over and over and over. The devil come to rob and steal. The devil come to rob and steal joy. I mean, no devil rob and steal my joy, my love. Me, not at this point. Nope. Bestie, me no want them. I mean, if I want to call my phone, me raise up Din what they and tell Din stop send me them something there. Me don't want to hear about them, they something there. Me not do that again. Me don't want to hear. One time gonna back. I could have sleep and wake. And when me enter TikTok, when me enter TikTok, me not even go up on live. When me enter TikTok, my inbox them full. Me can't know what chat me from who not chat me. Me don't want to know them something there again. Make people talk. I allow them to talk all who don't want to talk. And keep me head high, chin up, keep me head high, and fix the crown for me head. Come on, rank me money, come off. Me alone if you want to talk. Because the back and forth is a distraction. The real prize is out there. I want to do a back and forth with a person. It's a distraction. They might distract you. Because this is the world bad man. They like use it. Because it's the worstest disease. Some people that wonder, oh, Rosealee do it. Or Rosealee compare every day. I want them class her and bring her down. She compare and out of all of the storm, she still make it. Out of all the storm, I don't care what them say from 2 years ago or 3 years ago, she still make it. I will always rise out of the ashes like Phoenix. Rose will always be Rose. When we get to observe in life and acknowledge and know, you see obstacles and hurdles, you always got to drop them because your name is human being. Sometimes it's just a test. We have to just pass. I know me not answer people on social media. One time got back as them call me name. 2 or 3 page right. 1, 2, 3 roses coming. And as me wake, me dey pa unu, me not do that again. Unu can call me name, unu can say the most. Me not answer unu. No time at all. Because what? You know what I mean? I answer on me have something I want and I never have. And the day me realize that me not answer on. You never know. But wait till me not answer on. Me have something I can't get. Me have something I can't get. You can't get it. No care no go here, so I go this, so I wanna say this, I wanna say that. Me have something I can't get. One will never get it. Someone need to answer one. And that's why I not argue with you no more. Because I realize say all along.
Well, my people, Rosealee up on top still, you know, so she can go and relax on something. You know what I mean? And if you know the bagga mix up, when she ready, she pick pan her family them and do bagga this and even if you touch nobody else. You see me? Because for her family full of drama. You know what I mean? She can just pick pan one of them and just start some drama and be relevant. You know what I mean? So, let me know what I think with people and make her watch some more.
When me didn't have it all along, you know, I'm give it to people. Yeah. All along me have it. All along me have it. All along me have it now. All along me have it, I'm give it to people. I want me give it to people, they use it and destroy me. Try to destroy me with it. And me I say, no, sir. You know, I look up and smell the coffee. I hear the imaginary friend I'm having on my brain. It was always about you and never them. You had it from the beginning. Long till you have it, and I just know. It's an ability you have to perform well. You're born with it. You have to have the ability to perform well. And everybody have the ability to draw an audience and keep them through the whole day. I don't chase clout. I'm born with the ability to perform well. When me I go to school, my report, every teacher write, you have the ability to perform well. Me have it in me. And everybody can draw audience. Me say people draw audience with mix up all 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 people. And when the mix up done, the people that live 100, 200, 200, 300, 300, 300. And when them start a match, the trap go right back down to 500 people. And after now, you just have 9,000 people that talk about your whole life story. And what some of them now get on social media, nobody cares. You think some of the people them care? No. They don't care. Them only a laugh and that's why I stop. Nobody cares. Nobody no business. You think people care? People only jump on it because it acts and I'm look at exposure out tight. And that we not understand. Nobody no business. People only will jump on the store because it act. It just act and it act. Like one new restaurant open at the garage and I sell some 200 plate of food and the food act already. Cause when you in the garage, you own one new restaurant, they accept some cheap food and it act already. It crowded. If you have 2 months, 3 months, it crowded. And then when I look, choose a horror come up for cook the meat all the while. Sometimes the meat kind of taste half cook. And the crowd I get lesser and lesser and lesser. But when I just start sell a pure crowd take it because the food cheap and it hot. And the same thing with story over here.